Hello guys! Welcome to our 14th bowl for our Feel the Fruits challenge. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. Now we open our bowl. Let's pop it up. Here you go. Let's find our magnet. Oops, we have a duplicate. Let's open our fridge. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packages. For our first, wow! We have the IHOP burger combo. We have a new one. For the second one, uh-oh! We have a duplicate. Okay, that's the pizza box. Now for our third, we have another duplicate. We have the fruit tray. For our fourth, we have another duplicate. The lamb chop. For our fifth, we have another duplicate, the mini Hershey's chocolate syrup. For our sixth,
bare feet on pine, jar of sweet tea, sweating on the porch rail line.
we have another duplicate, guys, the single scrap cheese. For our seventh,
Got nowhere to be, and that feels just
ooh, wow, we have the creation.
dancing in the gold daylight.
We have a Jello. The Jello with a complete package, with the caramel syrup. That's nice. So that's it, guys. Follow me. And thank you for watching.